Okay, welcome home, buddies. Today I present you this wonderful lady and how to take a look on the positions, on the color grading, on the eye editing aspect of this so that you can learn more about the photoshoot part. Alright, so this model has a wonderful way of demonstrating the beauty of hers into something else. And I'm trying to explore that. Okay. Look at this. Isn't this great? I mean, the way she's just sitting on the couch. I know she's not sitting. That's something else, but it's beautiful, right? All right. So make sure to learn a lot of things from this so that you can become the best one in your profession, especially in the field of photography. All right. So that was all. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and make sure to watch this video until the end.